Hey guys, welcome back. So today is Halloween, which means, first of all, on my bottom half, I am dressed as Winnie the Pooh, okay? My bottom half she's still living very happily in Halloween land. Halloween Town. That was such a missed opportunity. But that also means that it's the first day of the Sephora VIB sale. By the way, I keep saying VIB sale. That's not what it's called anymore. It's the Sephora savings event. That's what it is. So it is the first day of the Sephora savings event for VIB Rouge. I did film a video all about my recommendations. I'll link that up here in case you missed it. But today we're gonna do the haul, okay? And it looks like it's not a lot. And I really don't think I don't think it's like a lot of products. I don't think I went crazy and bought like so many things. But I spent a lot of money, okay? There was a lot of money spent. I did have to place 2 separate orders. This one I got for pickup, in-store pickup. So Elver just went to go pick this one up for me. Well, not just because it's like very late. We already went trick-or-treating. We already did the whole thing. So it's late. So this order I got for in-store pickup, and then this order I got for same-day delivery because there were certain things that were not available in the same store that I always go to. So I just got it for same-day delivery. Apparently it's available in a different store that's close by. I don't know. I don't care. This is what we're doing. I feel like I didn't go too crazy because I've been doing a good number of Sephora hauls recently. If you guys want to see, I'll link a couple of them up here. I've been buying a lot of crap, so it's not like I have so many things on my wish list left over, but I did have some stuff, and I feel like I got some good stuff, and I'm very excited about it. But after this, I feel like I can slow down because this is my haul. This is my only planned haul. Honestly, if I have another one, I am going to be broke as shit. But anyways, you don't care about this. You want to see the products. So if you guys want to see what I picked up from the Sephora savings event, and then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm saying. If you're not already subscribed, just for yourself. I post sometimes when I can. I do my best. I've been doing pretty good, okay? I've been uploading like crazy. I'm just having a great time. Like, makeup content is just doing everything to me right now. And that's what I want to make. That's what I want to watch. So that's what I've been doing. So if you guys like beauty content, luxury content, fashion content, any of that stuff, I feel like this is definitely where you're going to be. So subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just Kate Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is going to be like a makeup of the day, outfit of the day, random shit on stories. It's like so much stuff over there, so you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the goodies. I'm going to start with this bag first because it's slightly smaller. Can you tell? You can tell. I'll just put this one over here in the meantime. Hopefully that never touches my candle. So this bag only has 3 products in it, but one of them is like super duper exciting. So let's jump into it. The first thing I got was from House of Lashes, and this is the eyelash glue. I actually don't use House of Lashes lashes, like your actual lashes. I've always found them kind of difficult to work. I feel like the band is very thick and they're very stiff, and I don't like that. But the lash glue is incredible. And I mean, to be fair, the savings is like $2 on this. My lash glue from House of Lashes is disgusting. Because it's so strong, I feel like it gets dirty a lot quicker. Like the glue just starts building up and the residue is disgusting. So I had to pick up another one. So this felt like the appropriate time. So that's what I did. I will say I definitely have like a lot of lash glue residue when I'm like done with the day. When I take off my lashes, there's like a lot of lash glue left over, but I'm figuring that out. And it's worth it if my eyelashes are going to stay on. Like today was a pretty windy day. It was like ridiculously windy, and my lashes I feel like still look okay. My hair, I mean, that's another story. Okay, I had my Winnie the Pooh hoodie on the whole day. We're just gonna leave it. It's always frizzy. Who even cares? Next thing I got is from Gucci, and I'm actually going to show you something from the other bag right after I show you this because I got 2 of these. So this is the Gucci lip color, and the color I got is Valentine Verdante. Valentine Verdante is what I'm gonna call it, okay? And this lipstick, I did not have my eyes set on this at all. Was not interested, didn't give a shit. But I saw this color and I just needed to have it. And I don't know what to tell you. And I'm sure I do have a lipstick this color, but this is what happened. First of all, I do really like this component. This is like really luxe and I kind of really like it. But this is the lipstick that I got. It's like a teal green and it's supposed to be matte, I'm pretty sure. I saw this color and I said, no, that needs to be mine, right? Like, does it not? I will say it's not completely matte. It has like a very, very slight sheen to it. But this color is everything and I don't care. This is, again, the Gucci lip color in Eva Grape. This is kind of just like a what would I call this? Like a mauve pink kind of situation, dusty mauve pink kind of situation. Look at that. Oh, that color. That's like exactly the color that I thought it was going to be. Do you guys remember when this color was like the obsession of everybody? I saw this and I just got like so nostalgic. I mean, you guys know I've been nostalgic in general, just in general. Like all the makeup trends that used to be cool back then, like in 2015, 2016, all of those makeup trends, that's like all that I care about. When I saw this, the nostalgia hit me hard and I wanted it. And so now I have it. The last thing in this bag that is probably one of the most exciting things I picked up in this haul is from Huda Beauty. And this is the Blush Filter Palette. This is like just released 5 seconds ago, okay? There's 3 different shades. I picked up Roseberry. I kind of wanted the pink one. I don't know what the pink one's called, but that's kind of the quad that I wanted. This is a quad, by the way. But I ended up going with this one because the pink one was sold out. Okay, leave me alone. This packaging is really, really cool. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell. It's like, oh, I like that. It comes with 4 colors: Berry Fizz, Pink Velvet, Strawberry Cream, and Bronze Berry. And this is what they look like here. These 3 are matte. And then this one has shimmer. I don't really like shimmery blush, so maybe I would put that as like a blush topper very, very, very light-handedly. But light-handedly, that'll work. I am really into these 2 colors. This one I also think will look really nice because I feel like Huda Beauty's formula is going to be super pigmented. So let's see. I just swatched 2 of the shades here. They look pretty nice. I probably will use this in whatever next look I do. I'm definitely not doing my makeup tomorrow. Today was like the longest day of my life. Like I just need to sleep tomorrow. I can't do this. So now going into the big old bag. Oh look, we have a little pamphlet. How cute. This is actually my first purchase ever from Rhode. This is the Rhode Peptide Lip Shape in Flex. It's basically just a lip pencil. And I do think it's like a little bit of a chunkier lip pencil. You guys know I have a problem. I don't know if you know, but if this is your first time here, hi, I'm Katie. I have a problem. I love lip pencils. They're just my favorite thing in the entire world. So this is actually very thick. Like for reference, I should show you the lip pencil that I used today, which does look disgusting. Do not judge me. Thank you. You can see there's like a pretty, I mean, I think you can see it, a pretty big difference there. It definitely is very, very smooth. And it's a thicker tip, as we can all see. I think that might actually help with like getting a good blend. I don't know. I mean, I'm interested. I'm interested to try it out. Where's the cap? That's the question we all have on our minds. Where'd that go? The next thing I got is from Givenchy, and this is the Prisme Libre. I'm still 100% sure that's not how you say it, but that's how I'm gonna say it. Prisme Libre bronzer powder in 003 Organza Bronze. I did mention this in like an anti-haul glam or scam video. I'm like officially calling them glam or scams now, so I'll link it up here. And I said that it was intriguing to me, and I wasn't lying, okay? I wanted it, but I was gonna wait for the sale. Like, what do you mean? Of course I was. This is what the packaging looks like. I do really love the Prisme Libre foundation, which I mentioned in my Sephora VIB sale. I gotta stop calling it the VIB sale. Sephora savings event recommendations video. I gotta get that, like, it's just ingrained in there. Why do they always give us a brush? So you open it and there's, you know, this dumbass brush that nobody wants, nobody asked for. And then under that, but like, wouldn't the brush just fall out? Is the brush, oh, it's not. Wait, the brush is not falling out. That's so cool. Under the brush is the bronzer. I thought it was cool because it's like a quad. And you have like a little bit of shimmer on this one. This one's a little deeper. This one's a little lighter. And then this one is even like a little blushy. Listen, I thought this was really cute. They do have different shades, but I thought this one was the one that would probably fit me the best. I mean, I don't know. You know that I don't know. But we're definitely going to try this one of these days. I have to say, this compact is very luxe. I mean, this is an expensive ass bronzer, so it should be luxe. This was my money. But even with the sale, it was my money. But I do like it. I'm very excited. The next thing that I got is from Saint Laurent, and this is the Make Me Blush Liquid, or Liquid Blush. And I got the color 03 Mischievous Magenta. I have been using a lot of liquid blushes recently, and I wanted to try this one mostly because of the colors. I got 2 colors, and the other one that I got is also like just as freaking crazy as this one. And they just looked so good. Like, what was I supposed to do? I don't actually know if this formula is good. This will be my first time trying it, and I'm really hopeful, okay? I feel like my blush kind of disappeared today. Did it not? I kind of feel like it did. But I mean, the makeup has been on for the longest of times, okay? The longest of times. This is what it looks like. Honestly, this is a little less luxurious of packaging, like, than I would have expected. Like, I would have expected, like, a whole experience, especially for how much these freaking blushes are. Like, okay. I used the Saint Laurent blush, but the powder blush today, this is what I was wearing. That is maybe no longer on my cheeks. In Make Me Blush, I think, or is it color 37? I'm not sure. Sure don't know, but this is what I used on my cheeks. And I also used my Saint Laurent powder, the loose powder. It's the All Hours Hyper Blur. I used that today as well. So apparently I'm getting into Saint Laurent makeup out of nowhere. I've always been the one who's like, don't spend money on luxury makeup. And here I am like a freaking clown. Oh, stop it. Oh, stop it. Look at that color. That's insane. So like I said, I have another one of those. So this is the YSL Make Me Blush Blush Liquid in number 15. And this is called Chili Crush. This was the one that was like haunting my dreams. Honestly, I mean, I love this magenta color, but this one, like, I needed it. I don't know what to tell you other than there was no other option. I did kind of debate for a minute, like, do I want to get this color in the powder formula, because they do also have that. And I like the powder formula. I honestly prefer powder blushes in general over liquid blushes, but I have been using a lot of liquid blushes recently. So we did liquid. So again, this is Chili Crush. Let me show you in comparison. This is obviously a lot more orange. Oh my God, the name is not even on here. What kind of foolishness is that? Whatever. 03 is the magenta, Mischievous Magenta. And then Chili Crush is number 15. I feel like not a lot of companies come out with like orange blushes anymore. I feel like oh, you can't even see how neon this is. Oh, you can't even see it. Oh, stop. Stop it right now. Oh, cut this shit out. Wait, right? Yeah, that's the orange one over here. Chili Crush, Mischievous Magenta. Are you kidding? I feel like a lot of companies don't come out with orange anymore. Everyone's all about the bright ass pink. And I get it. I do like a bright pink, okay, obviously. But who says I don't like orange too, okay? We can like both. This is something I didn't need. I mean, literally, like, did I need any of this? But I really didn't need this. And I said I didn't need this before I bought it. And I know I still bought it though, and I'm very excited about it. So this is the Patrick Ta Major Dimension Essential Artistry. Who has this kind of time? This is the longest title I've ever seen in my life. Major Dimension Essential Artistry Edit Eyeshadow Palette. Have you fallen asleep yet? And this is in the color Deep Fonce, or is it Fonce? I don't know. You know that he came out with 3 of these. There's like a light, a medium, and a deep. And I, being me, had to go for the deep. Like, hello, do we know me at all? This is what it looks like. I do have the all matte eyeshadow palette that he has, the Major Dimensions 3. It's like all neutral, all matte. Definitely did not need this. But like, I got it anyways. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh, this was just the least necessary thing. But I love, look at this color. Like, these are the neutrals. These are all the neutrals that I could need. And I'm a matte eyeshadow type of bitch, okay? So I like having them in this like little condensed version. And yeah, like I said, I didn't need it, but I bought it. I'm happy I bought it. And I'm happy that I saved 20% on it. Okay. I got some Sephora brand brushes. I've been interested in the Sephora brand eye brushes for a while. You guys know I like eye brushes far more than face brushes. I don't care that much about face brushes because I feel like for 99.9% of the steps I do on my face, I use a beauty blender. Because we get 30% off Sephora collection, I thought this would make sense. So I picked up 3 brushes. First one I got is the Pro Brush Shadow at, does it have a name? I don't know. It's number 18. Look at this. It comes in a little box. Like, what brush comes in a little box? I mean, they're not very cheap, the Sephora Pro brushes. So if you're looking at them, this is definitely the time because everybody gets 30% off the Sephora collection. So this one is the Pro Shadow number 18. I thought this one looked a lot like the little pencil brush from Details by Tati that I tried. I'll link my Details by Tati review up here. And I loved, spoiler alert, I loved that pencil brush because it was just like a little bit bigger than what I usually use. So I thought this one looked very, very similar. And I can actually buy this one on its own and not have to buy it in like a big old set. The next thing I picked up is the number 19 brush. So this one is definitely going to be on the bigger side. It's not, I don't think this one is a pencil brush. I think this is more of a crease brush. This is the Pro Crease number 19. It definitely also reminds me of another Details by Tati brush that I really liked. It's kind of like a fluffy but also kind of pinched style, and I really think like for crease work, pretty much how it says Pro Crease. Yeah, I think this is a good one for that. And then the last one I got is the number 27. There it is. Number 27. I do really like how these come packaged, I have to say. Like, this feels like a very nice experience. This one is the Pro Crease number 27. I should show you this compared to the previous one. They're actually pretty similar, I would say. So this is the 27, this one's the 19. I would say this one is obviously a little bit more tapered at the end here. And this one is just a little bit more on the fluffy side. But then on the side, you can see it kind of tapers a little bit. So this is another one that's really good for crease work. And then the last thing in our bag, and probably the least exciting thing, is from Kiehl's. This is the Kiehl's Retinol Skin Renewing Daily Microdose Serum. And yeah, basically I use this not every night. I use it every other night. I do at some point want to work my way up to every night. We just haven't gotten there yet. We're not there yet. When I first started using retinol, it wasn't actually this one, but I do prefer this one over the one that I was using before. It broke me out like freaking crazy for a good amount of time. It was like a solid 2 weeks of just like pimples everywhere. And I know everyone says that's what's gonna happen when you use retinol, but like shit, like I wasn't ready. And I did it very slowly. Like I didn't even start doing it like once every other night. I was like once here, maybe 2 days pass, then I'll do it again, maybe 2 days pass. Like I was really, and it was very small amounts too, because you don't want to just jump into using what your skin's gonna go bananas. Now I'm up to the point where I'm doing every other night, and I think that it's working pretty well. But you know, she's 32, so we gotta work this in every night. So this is what it looks like. I do still have some in my other bottle. I'm not prepared to run out. Okay, retinol in general, I feel like it's pretty damn expensive. So it's a good time during a sale to pick up a backup. So I'm excited. Well, I'm not that excited. Like I already know what that does. So yeah, guys, that is it for my Sephora VIP. Oh my God, Sephora savings event haul. Definitely let me know in the comments what you guys think. Do you have any of these products? Are you excited for me to try out any of these products? Also, I would like to know, what are you guys gonna pick up from the sale? I am nosy as hell. Yes, I am. And I'm not ashamed to admit it. What are you picking up? If you've already picked stuff up, let me know that as well, because I feel like this is just such a fun shopping time. It's about to be the holidays, you guys. Today is Halloween. Tomorrow being November 1st. And November 1st marks the beginning of Christmas, okay? Thanksgiving doesn't exist to me. I don't care. Which is exciting because I am due right around Christmas. So yeah, can't wait for that. But anyways, let me know in the comments what do you guys think. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm itchy as hell right here. Like, did I just have like a booger or something? Like, what the fuck was that?